How to add vanilla gift card in Best Buy app. Let's get started. Launch your Best Buy app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now navigate to the profile page. Once you're at the profile page, over here you're gonna find different sections. Under my account, you'll find the option of payment methods. Click on that. Now from here you can easily add your Visa card. Go ahead and click on the option of add a payment method. Now you have to provide the details. Go ahead and type in your Visa card number over here. After you type in, now provide your billing address. Type in the first name, last name, address, state, zip code and phone number. After you provide all the details, click on the option of add payment method. And just with that, your vanilla gift card will be updated as payment method in Best Buy app. So this way you can easily add vanilla gift card in Best Buy app. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.